Have you ever imagined owning a picturesque, flourishing cottage garden that feels like a slice of paradise right in your own backyard? Welcome to our video, Top Secrets for a Successful Cottage Garden. Start today. This video will serve as your step-by-step guide to making that dream a reality. We'll delve into the historical origins of cottage gardens, discuss the crucial role of location and soil health, unveil the art of diverse plant selection, explain the importance of strategic garden layout, and finally, share essential tips for seasonal garden care. Whether your garden is sprawling or compact, sunny or partly shaded, we're confident that this video will provide invaluable advice to help you start your cottage garden today. Let's embark on this exciting journey together, nurturing our spaces and our connection with nature. Remember, a flourishing garden is just a few secrets away. One. Background. The story of cottage gardens. Cottage gardens are steeped in history, originating from the humble cottage dwellings of the rural English countryside. Originally, they were pragmatic spaces, filled with edible plants, medicinal herbs, and livestock. But their practicality gave way to a distinctive style characterized by a seemingly chaotic but beautifully harmonious blend of flowers, vegetables, and herbs. 2. Choosing the perfect spot. The importance of location. You may think you need an extensive plot to create your dream garden, but the truth is, any space can be transformed into a lush oasis. A vital factor is the amount of sunlight your chosen area receives. Most cottage garden plants are sun lovers, so aim for a location bathed in sunlight for at least 6 hours each day. 3. The ground beneath, understanding your soil. Your soil is the foundation of your garden, and each type comes with unique properties that will significantly influence your plant selection. From sandy to clay, loamy to peaty, understanding your soil's pH level, texture, nutrient content, and drainage abilities will set you up for success. A soil test is an excellent way to get a detailed analysis of your garden's starting point. 4. An array of life, plant selection for diversity. A traditional cottage garden is a riot of colors, shapes, and textures, with the likes of perennials, annuals, shrubs, vines, fruit trees, and vegetables all sharing the space. Choose plants with varying heights, colors, and blooming periods to create a dynamic year-round display. Embrace the eclectic nature of the cottage garden and let your personal tastes guide your choices. 5. Mastering the layout. Planning your cottage garden. Designing a cottage garden is akin to composing a piece of music. The layout should feature meandering paths that encourage leisurely strolls, hidden corners that promise delightful surprises, and focal points that provide visual anchors. Intermingle taller plants with shorter ones, and time your plantings to ensure a continuous sequence of blooms. 6. Continuous care, seasonal tasks, and maintenance. Maintaining your garden requires a consistent effort throughout the year. Each season brings specific tasks such as planting, pruning, weeding, mulching, and managing pests and diseases. Equipping yourself with the right knowledge about these tasks will ensure your garden remains vibrant and healthy through all seasons. 7. The evolution of a gardener, your journey. Creating a cottage garden is an enriching and rewarding journey. It's about nurturing a space that serves as your retreat, your artistic canvas, and your connection to the rhythms of nature. As you evolve as a gardener, your garden too will reflect this growth, serving as a testament to your learning and love for nature. As we wrap up our guide on top secrets for a successful cottage garden, start today, we would love to hear from you. What challenges do you anticipate in establishing your own cottage garden? Do share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.